car, honey?
307.
Yes! Go 307, dog. Yeah, I got that. Oh, Cat, he's smoking. He's smoking. He's smoking. He's gonna explode. He's not even attacking. He's just kind of like playing it safe. Yeah.
That's Jones' car. You picked number 2, right?
No, 307.
Joe, you're floating.
What?
You're floating. You're not doing anything.
Dead. Maybe he's just about to die.
They're coasting.
Oh my God, both my cars died right away. 307's dead.
Well, mine was the first one, but mine's going to be in really good shape for the second one.
Here he comes. Kelly! You killed me. You took my dude down. He's slow.
Huh?
Number 8 is so slow. I don't want that one.
They're all slow, aren't they?
No, not that bad.
That is your first one? What numbers are you guys taking? Rachel? I'm number 50. So which one's the first one?
I'm 8, I guess.
I'm the 8th one.
Yeah.
I'll take Let's go, number 8. What's the orange one?
I'll take that guy.
Take the white one.
Uh-oh, here we go.
Whoa, 57.
Number 8. Yeah, oh yeah. Go number 8!
Go 50! That one looks like a mailbox. What are you doing?
Yeah, number 8. Number 8, got it straight. Number 8, got it straight.
It don't touch over yet. Take a while.
Just screwing the heck out of everyone.
Look at that thing that sticks out of that one there. It's like 200 slices of tires.
Oh yeah.
It's like,
Yeah, what is that?
Yeah, he just smushed and placed these together.
a weapon. Yeah, look at him. He can't even go anymore. Look at him. No, I ain't going to front.
Little guy's hurting over here.
With the orange numbers.
What happened to him? What happened?
Don't give up 50.
Where did he like fell apart? He like blew up. You're like one of those.
He's got a chill there too. Derby Dave is his name.
Yeah, that's what it says.
Derby Dave. You go, Derby Dave. Do you ever see little rascals?
Yeah.
You know they're like little,
Contraction.
yeah, that metal one is the one that, like, it looks like they were
It does look like that. You're right.
made out of, like, the plastic
Yeah,
thing.
it does look like that. got such a good bump. Kate's gonna win this, isn't he? Yeah!
He's untouchable.
Yeah,
that huge bumper.
that massive bump.
Remember that's the one we said was too slow.
Yeah, exactly. And he's walking away with this.
Yeah.
Fourth place.
There we go.
Right.
Like speeds up and like reverses and stuff so fast.
Yeah, number 8.
He's just like, he just blew everyone out of the water. He's still going strong.
Dominated.
Is that Derby Dave?
Derby Dave! Derby Dave! Who's left? Just this guy over here, huh?
Derby Dave!
I love it.
All right, your winner is.
In a blazing fury.
Look at that.
right. I don't know. Let's put in that too.
Those flags?
No, wait, put some in an X.
Yeah, with flags.
I think 51 made the last hit though, right?
You got 4 minutes or what?
Yeah, you got a few minutes here, and then if nothing happens, then it's declared over, I think. And I think whoever made the last hit would win.
51 deserves it.
It was fun to watch.
Yeah, really good.
There's a lot of...
That was great.
So who won?
That was
Yeah.
fun.
That's a good finish.
Definitely.
Go at it.
We're gonna go.
Is this